Goat and a Dog Friendship. Once upon a time, in a quaint countryside village, there lived an unusual pair of friends, a goat named Gracie and a dog named Max. Their friendship was the talk of the town because, unlike most goats and dogs, they were inseparable. Gracie, with her soft, white fur and curious eyes, would graze in the meadow while Max, a loyal and energetic border collie, kept watch. Max's sharp instincts protected Gracie from any potential danger, be it a prowling fox or a mischievous raccoon. Their days were filled with adventures. Gracie would often play fully butt heads with Max, and they would chase each other around the sprawling fields. In the evenings, they'd sit beneath the old oak tree, watching the sun dip below the horizon. One fateful winter, a heavy snowfall blanketed the village. Gracie struggled to find food beneath the thick snow. Max, sensing her distress, dug through the snowdrifts with his strong paws, uncovering tufts of grass for her to nibble on. Their bond grew stronger with each passing season, proving that friendship knows no boundaries.